We'd been in springtime, the small birds were singing. Down by yon shady arbor I carelessly did stray, where the thrushes they were warbling, the violets they were charming. To view fond lovers talking, while I did delay. She said, my dear, don't leave me for another season. Though fortune may be pleasing, I'll go along with you. I'll forsake friends and relations and quit this Irish nation, and to the bonny Ben Isles forever I'll bid adieu. He said, my dear, don't grieve me, or yet annoy my patience. You know I love you dearly, although I'm going away. I am going to a foreign nation to purchase a plantation, to comfort us hereafter, all in America. Then after a short while, if fortune does be pleasing, 'twill cause you for to smile at our late going away. We'll be happy as Queen Victoria, all in her greatest glory. We'll be drinking wine and porter, all in America. And their agents, the bailiffs and their beggars, the land of our forefathers we were forced to give o'er. Now we're sailing on the ocean for honor and promotion, and parting with our sweethearts, it's them we do adore. If you were in your bed lying and thinking on dying, the sight of the bonny Ben Isles your sorrow you would give o'er. For if you had got 1 hour down in yon shady bower, pleasure would surround you, you'd think on death no more. So fare thee well, sweet Craggie Hill,